Find a crank rocker mechanism AOABB0 that moves the plane defined by the points A1, B1, D1 to the plane defined by a 2B2, D2. Use a crank rocker mechanism with a coupler from A to D. First, draw a perpendicular bisector through A1 and A2. Second, draw a perpendicular bisector through D1 and D2. Then you can choose AO on the perpendicular bisector through A1 and A2. For D0, select a point on the perpendicular bisector through D1 and D2. Then you can draw the crank rocker mechanism and connect AO with A1 and D0 with D1. As you can see, the crank rocker mechanism is working.